So every time you tighten it, you want to just put it down and do this. So what happens is this is always sticking out. You have to push it in, push it in. So see now you have to manually set it in. Just making it a bit wider should have helped. This tongue design just should have been wider. That's not good. First improvement. Second is when you open it, you click it, and you want to just slip the shoe out. You want to slip it back in. If you're not careful, and you do this, then it goes like that. Then you have to sit down. You're just putting a stopper so that it kind of stopped. And you've got to overdo it where you just want to slip it in, slip it out. That's it.